So, Halloween's just around the corner. So in preparation, I thought I'd make myself the Cupcake candy pail from the Curse of Dreadbear DLC. Well, because I live in Australia, I won't actually get to use it to go trick-or-treating, but I mean, it somewhat matches my suit that I'm wearing this year, so I'm gonna make it anyway. And for those of you who have been paying attention, you might know what suit I'm referring to. Okay, so usually I would go through the process of sanding it and making it look somewhat smooth. But this time I've only given myself 3 days to get this done, so I'm just gonna have to skip that part. So first up, I'm going to be painting the whole thing white, because apparently white filament doesn't exist. And after doing a few coats of that, I'm going to paint the frosting a nice hot pink. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to be painting the Cupcake cup brown. Alright, so whilst I wait for that to dry, I'm going to move on to the handle. Simply giving it a nice coat of black paint. Alright, so now it's dry. As you can see, it's not looking too good, so I'm going to give it a second pass of pink and brown. Well, now it's time for the part I've been dreading for the past 3 days. The eyes. Thankfully the eyes of the cupcake seem to be pretty simple. So I'm going to start with painting a giant orange iris, then continuing to give it an equally ginormous black pupil, then following it up with those nice white reflective dots. And well, I guess it's now time to just show off my hard work. Yep.